Is snoring dangerous? Find out today on the Breathing Wellness vlog. Welcome to the Breathing Wellness vlog, a weekly video response to some of your questions about breathing, sleeping, and living a pain-free life. This week's question is snoring dangerous? Well, there are many conflicting opinions on whether or not light snoring or occasional snoring is harmful. However, if you are a consistently heavy snorer, there's little doubt it's a warning sign from your body telling you something's wrong. Listen to this article from Harvard Medical School. Talking about snoring, the author writes, "The reality is, this loud snort is often the person gasping for air as the brain is not getting enough oxygen." Science Daily posted the following article. Snoring may put you at a greater risk than those who are overweight, smoke, or have high cholesterol to have thickening or abnormalities in the carotid artery. Perhaps even more troubling, heavy snoring is often a sign of sleep apnea, a serious medical condition. Here's more from that Harvard Medical School article. Sleep apnea is literally when a person stops breathing during sleep. As a result, the brain undergoes repeated moments of suffocating. In popular culture, snoring is viewed as funny, and people often laugh when a snoring person lets out a sudden explosive snort. The reality is, this loud snort is often the person gasping for air as the brain is not getting enough oxygen. If you or a loved one has a snoring problem, it's more than just a nuisance. I've put a link in the description below to a few videos where patients who were heavy snorers discuss their experiences with our non-surgical treatment protocol that totally got rid of their snoring, while at the same time eliminating all symptoms of sleep apnea. Click on the link below to learn more about our treatment and to schedule a free evaluation with our sleep specialist. I hope you found this video to be useful. We'll see you next time.